I just woke up from a nap. Today is Thursday. I just finished, I had work earlier, did some things, took a nap. I'm not dressed yet, and I just got my Amazon box, so I'm going to open that up. And let's see if I can do this with one hand and left-handed. Probably not. Obviously this is the bottom side because I don't want you to know where I live. I like that Amazon didn't excessively pack my thing with packaging because it's not necessary. I got some more Instax film. If you still have an Instax camera, I would highly recommend getting your film on Amazon because it's the cheapest. Also be aware that this does expire. This expires in 2020. Don't hoard these if you don't take photos a lot. I also got another dollhouse kit thingy. I will have to check to see whether it actually has all the pieces because last time I ordered this it did not have all the pieces and it was super annoying because I had to return it and then repurchase it. It was like a month and a half process. I bought some more magnets, the tiny magnets. I thought that they were more than this, but I guess I'll do. Look at that great product placement right there, yeah. Norman still lives right there, so don't worry, he's still here. I actually want to get a frame for, I want to get a print of Kana! And put him next to Daryl over there. I am not feeling super great because I haven't been sleeping super well for the past week, but it should change now that I'm back to a regular schedule. I feel like I'm just doing a lot this weekend, so I kind of feel like vlogging. It's my friend's birthday, so we're gonna go to Peasant. My hair is being weird. I don't like this. I don't know. I might do something later. I wore this at Icon like a weekend ago, 2 weekends ago or something like that, for like a schoolgirl outfit, and I thought it was cute. And then I'm wearing this chiffon, it's not tulle, skirt. I have pictures. Here's the pictures. And I got lots of compliments on it, and I started wearing it again. I never really wore it because I couldn't really wear it casually, even though you could totally wear it casually. And then I saw like 5 different people wear this dress, and then I was just like, I have it, why don't I wear it? It looks good on everyone. So I'm just like, I'm gonna wear it. So I'm gonna start trying to wear it casually. I have a couple more minutes to spare, and I think I'm gonna try and fix my hair. That rhymed. And then we're gonna go have dinner. I think I might pick up a coffee when I'm there because I'm super tired. Can't do it. Fixing your shoe.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're getting me in this right now?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I didn't realize they were gonna fix your shoe for that long. I'm cropping you out now.
Hi, Jen's back in another video.
I'm gonna have to change the audio if we're gonna talk. Because it's probably really, really loud in here. Yeah.
Huh? We had dinner.
I'm not gonna narrate this. Okay, bye. Afternoon. So global warming is a thing. Hopefully it's not too hot today. I think it said the high was like 33 for right now, and Sophia's scratching her litter box. She's done. It's like 33 degrees right now, and I gotta run some errands, and I gotta do some walking, and I want to go to Valley Village and do some thrifting, and I don't know if I can make all those treks in this humidity. So we'll see. We'll see if I make it. I'm wearing my like lace bottom shawl that hopefully will block out the haters, and it will hopefully I won't be sweating like crazy by the time that I'm done doing all my stuff. Let's go get a coffee first because I'm tired, and then we will go and see if we can thrift for a little bit.
And there you are.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Go to the beach and then come home and then immediately have to take a nap. Seriously. Like I looked it up earlier, and it was like your body goes through like extreme dehydration because of like the heat and the sun, and your body's just fatigued. So you just need to take a nap. Like it's not gonna happen. You're not gonna be able to do stuff after. I definitely need to take a nap. I only got one other clothing item. So you would have seen that I was debating between two different denim jackets. This one is from American Eagle. This is the one that I ended up going with. Sophia, no. This one was $20, which is actually very expensive for a used denim jacket. But honestly, I mean, Value Village, a lot of thrift stores, they have to jack up their prices so that, you know, I don't know. I feel like all of the thrift stores in Winnipeg have been jacking up their prices. Sophia's just gonna keep smelling it because it has a weird smell. So I was going between the American Eagle one and the other one that I was trying on, and that one was actually a, oh no, Sophia, no. It was, no, don't fight me. It it was a Zara one, which I was like, ooh, Zara, I kind of want it just because it's Zara. And they were only selling it for I think $23 instead of $20, which that would have been more of a deal because Zara is a higher priced item. But even though it was more, there was more detail on it. There was like the acid wash right here. It was definitely a lot softer. It was a little bit more tailored. There was definitely more work put into it as opposed to just a basic denim jacket. Like, this is a basic denim jacket. Like, there's nothing special about this at all. But I do not have a black denim jacket. Could not find a black denim jacket, so I'm going to hopefully be able to dye this black and then turn it into a pin and patch jacket. So we'll see if I have time to do that, if I'm invested in doing that. If not, I might just keep this as a denim jacket, like keep it this color. Okay, that's enough of that. So I went to Valley Village a couple months ago and I was on the lookout for dolls because I want to do more doll face-ups. And I don't want to spend $20 on a doll. So, and I'm still practicing. Like, I definitely would be open to doing commissions for basic doll faces, like the doll faces that I'm comfortable doing with, like the ones up there. So preferably like that kind of scale. So I was, why did I start talking about this? Anyways, I was there at a couple months ago. There were these, a couple dolls that I really wanted. And then I was just kind of like, I don't want to. They're still a little bit too expensive for what they were. I remember them, they were like $6 or something like that. And I remember it was like an apple white and some other one. It's from like the Ever After High series or something like that. So I was just like, no, and then I just left it in a basket, and then next week I went back to check again to see if they had other dolls, and they were gone. Yesterday, and look what I find, still there. And I think they knocked it down by $1 or $2. I remember it being more than $5. So I don't know, maybe when they did the recovery for it and they picked up the doll, they just didn't put it back on the shelf for a while. I don't know, like I'm pretty sure it's the exact same doll. So I'll quickly show you the doll. I'm going to keep them in the plastic because I still need to clean them up. Don't know what happened to them prior, so I'm going to clean them up. So the first one that I got is Apple White. I think her name is Apple White. She kind of has a really serious face and I don't like it as much. Her hair seems to be in good condition. Actually, her hair seems to be in really good condition now that I look at it. Yeah. I might still give her a shampoo. See, the thing is that even though I'm getting them for pretty cheap, I still want all the things attached to it. So it looks like she has a scuff on her chin. She has her earrings still. Not sure if she came with any other accessories. Bracelet's still there, dress is still there. Her tights are still okay, and she still has her shoes. Not 100% sure if I'm going to keep all of her original clothing, but I definitely will be changing her face and fixing up her hair a little bit. And no idea what her name is. No idea what her name is. And she was cheaper. She was only $4. I mean, there's a teacup. A teapot? I don't know. Is it like... Oh, she has a necklace still. She also has painted gloves. Oh no, she doesn't have her shoes. God damn it. I thought she had her shoes. No, she just has the little tight thingies still on there. She's naked, so I found another. I know it's not Draculaura. It's like another stupid Draculaura, I think. Like, and they were just like, oh, we need another character. Let's do this. So, she doesn't have any clothes. I think she has a necklace on. Yeah, she has a necklace. And she was only $3. Not terrible, I just wish she had clothes. I'll clean her up after too, and then I will have 3 new face-ups coming out in, I don't know, we'll see when I get around to working on them.